least 3 people have died and dozens more are hurt from at least one tornado that tore through the Texas Panhandle. Hit Perryton yesterday afternoon. This is an aerial view of piles of rubble that moments earlier were buildings. Hospitals confirm they've treated between 50 and 100 people for injuries, from broken bones to head injuries. The twister that did the damage in that spot may not have been the only one in the area. If you'll take a look at some startling video that shows a funnel forming, then crossing a highway right in front of the person recording it. National Weather Service has not yet determined how many twisters whipped through the area, or if it's possible people reported seeing the same one at different times. At the peak of the storms, 50,000 people in the Panhandle lost power.